Namo Buddhaya. Relationships are like keeping a free bird with you. If you hold the bird too tightly, it will die. If you hold it too loosely, it will fly. If you hold it smoothly, with love and care, the bird will remain with you. Do not be bossy wife or bossy husband. Do not try to be fault-finding wife or fault-finding husband. Be caring, loving wife and husband. Be cooperative and develop mutual understanding. Then your marriage will be more beautiful and more sweet. Never leave a true relationship because of few faults, shortcomings, or mistakes. Nobody is perfect. Nobody is correct either. Affection, love is greater than perfections. A true relationship is possible when each other can tell anything and everything to each other. No secrets, no lies. Only deep trust among the couple, among the husband and wife, will help to have a good and better marital relationships. Stay blessed. I wish you and your family peace and happiness. Stay healthy and have a great day. May the Buddha, Dhamma and Sangha bless you, guide you, protect you. Namo Buddhaya.